For centuries, we've looked up at the stars, searching for answers. What is reality? What lies beyond our universe? Are we even real? Tonight, we embark on a journey through 10 mind-blowing theories that could change everything we thought we knew about the cosmos. Get comfortable, because by the end of this video, your perspective on the universe may never be the same. Let's dive in. 10. The simulation theory. Are we living in a computer program? Have you ever experienced déjà vu, a strange coincidence, or the feeling that reality is somehow off? What if these experiences were glitches in an elaborate simulation? According to some of the world's greatest minds, including tech billionaire Elon Musk and theoretical physicists, there is a significant chance that our entire reality is nothing more than an advanced computer simulation. The logic is simple. If humans are capable of creating increasingly sophisticated virtual realities, then a civilization far more advanced than ours could theoretically create a hyper-realistic simulation indistinguishable from true reality. This idea is rooted in probability. If a single civilization in the universe managed to develop the ability to simulate consciousness, and they ran countless such simulations, then statistically, there would be far more simulated beings than real ones. If that's the case, the odds of us being in a base reality, rather than a digital construct, become extremely low. 9. The holographic universe. Are we just a 2D projection? Imagine looking at a hologram. It appears to be three-dimensional, but in reality, it is just an intricate pattern projected from a two-dimensional surface. Now imagine if our entire universe worked the same way. According to the holographic principle, the entire cosmos might be a 3D illusion encoded onto a 2D surface, meaning that everything we experience as depth, motion, and space is merely an elaborate projection. This idea isn't just science fiction. It emerges from attempts to unify quantum mechanics and Einstein's general relativity. Some physicists have found mathematical evidence suggesting that all the information contained within a region of space can be encoded on its boundary, much like a hologram. In fact, when studying black holes, researchers discovered that the information about objects that fall into a black hole isn't lost. It may be stored on the black hole's surface, similar to how a holographic film encodes a 3D image on a 2D plane. 8. The multiverse theory. Are there infinite versions of you? Have you ever wondered how your life would have turned out if you had made a different decision? What if there is a version of you who chose a different career, married someone else, or even lived in a completely different reality? According to the multiverse theory, every choice you make spawns a new universe, where a different version of events plays out. This theory comes from quantum mechanics, where particles can exist in multiple states at once until they are observed. Some physicists propose that instead of the universe choosing one reality, all possible outcomes happen simultaneously in separate, parallel universes. This means there could be infinite versions of you, some nearly identical, others drastically different. There could be universes where dinosaurs never went extinct, where Earth never formed, or where technology is millions of years ahead of ours. 7. The Big Bounce theory. Is the universe stuck in a loop? Most of us have heard of the Big Bang, the idea that the universe exploded into existence from a singularity and has been expanding ever since. But what if that wasn't the first time it happened? According to the Big Bounce theory, the universe has been caught in an eternal cycle of expansion and contraction. Imagine a cosmic heartbeat. The universe expands over billions of years, then slowly contracts under the force of gravity until it collapses back into a singularity, only to explode outward again in another Big Bang. If this is true, it means that there was a universe before ours, and another before that, stretching back infinitely. We might simply be living in the latest iteration of an endlessly repeating cosmos. 6. White holes. The opposite of black holes. Black holes are known for their terrifying ability to swallow anything that comes too close, even light itself. But what if there was another side to this cosmic mystery? Enter white holes, hypothetical objects that do the exact opposite of black holes. Instead of sucking everything in, white holes would expel matter and energy, making them like a cosmic fountain in space. Some physicists believe that white holes could be the exit points of wormholes, meaning that anything sucked into a black hole might be spat out somewhere else in the universe, or even in another dimension. If they exist, white holes could completely change our understanding of space travel, physics, and the fundamental nature of reality. 5. The dark matter mystery. The invisible universe. Everything we see, planets, stars, galaxies, only makes up about 5% of the universe. The other 95%, we can't even see it. Scientists call this unseen force dark matter and dark energy. They hold galaxies together and drive the expansion of the universe. Yet we have no idea what they actually are. Some believe that dark matter may be made of unknown particles, while others think it could be evidence of hidden dimensions. If we could unlock its secrets, we might discover an entirely new aspect of reality, one hiding in plain sight. 4. The time travel paradox. Can we change the past? Time travel is a sci-fi favorite, but what is possible? The problem? Paradoxes. Let's say you go back in time and prevent your parents from meeting. If they never meet, you're never born. So who went back in time to stop them? This is the grandfather paradox, and it's just one of many puzzles that make time travel so mysterious. Some scientists believe time might not be linear at all. What if the past, present, and future exist all at once? 3. The universe is conscious. Is reality aware? Could the universe itself be a giant mind? Some physicists believe that consciousness isn't just something we have. It's something that exists everywhere. If this is true, then every star, every galaxy, even space itself might be part of a vast interconnected intelligence. What if we are simply the thoughts of the universe observing itself? 2. The Boltzmann brain. Are you just a floating mind? What if your entire life is just an illusion, created by a self-aware brain floating in space? According to the Boltzmann brain theory, it's statistically more likely that a random brain would spontaneously form in the void than for our entire structured universe to exist. If that's true, everything you see, hear, and feel might be nothing more than an elaborate hallucination. 1. The end of time. Will time itself stop? Time might not be eternal. Some theories suggest that the laws of physics are slowly breaking down. If time itself stops, what happens to reality? Do we freeze forever, or does existence collapse? Scientists don't know, but they think we might already be on the countdown to the end. Our universe is full of mysteries, some we may never understand. But one thing is certain, the more we learn, the stranger it gets. Which of these theories blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a journey into the unknown. Until next time, stay curious and keep questioning everything.